They've never done this in their life. Ilang years na akong smart? Ilang years na sa alam natin ang smart communication. Matagal na sila, tama? But they're creating a unique product for us because we have impacted the way they understand their business. Akala nila ang pagkalat ng kanilang produkto dun lang through the network of retailers. When they saw the growth of V-Mobile and the fantastic growth we post every year, sabi nila, this is a phenomenon. And this great phenomenon must be, parang gusto yung tignan, closer. Ano yung nangyayari dito? Bakit ang bilis ng growth? And they realized, and I talked to them, and I told them, this is not about selling products. This is about using your distribution margin and sharing it to the consumer so they can feel the difference. Imagine, paano kayo nagkakaroon ng pera sa V-Mobile? It's very simple. The same margin, the same telco discount that they give and provide, we use to compute your commission. But you must create your network of consumer under you before you feel the significance of the amount. Because kung sumali ho kayo sa load extreme sa V-Mobile para lang magbenta ng prepaid load, hindi ho kayo yaman. It's not the way to build wealth. The way to build wealth is to establish your own network, your own triangle. In the picture na may malaking triangle, at least nandun kayo sa loob, may sarili kayong triangle. And you are the one on top of it. Mahirap po pangarapin na mas nasa itaas tayo ng chic dun sa Middle East. Mayaman na po talaga yun. May langi sila eh. They're on top of that system. But what is ours? Alam niyo, ang Pinoy may number eh. Ang susunod na magandang opportunity dito sa Asia, yung Indonesia. Because times 3 ng population natin sila. Pero tayo, dahil we use different products and services, ano gagawin natin para pagkakitaan natin yung pagiging consumer natin? This is why MyTurf 2.0 was introduced to you as a concept. Kasi yung MyLX, yung Technopreneur, you really need to expand your network. MyLX will help you establish your own triangle. That's the reason why selling or endorsing Technopreneur package, the franchise package, is really essential to this business. But once you have established your network of consumer, MyTurf comes into the picture to sustain yung labor na ginawa niya. Imagine yun, earning multiple times from your initial effort. That's the essence of building wealth. And that's the reason why we love prepaid products. Alam niyo kung bakit? Dito nyo lang makikita sa Pilipinas yan. Mas mahalaga ang load kaysa sa pagkain. Do you agree? Always pag sinasabi ko sa mga members na ma-attend ng opportunity, sabi ko sa nila, only in the Philippines you will see 20 pesos pag gising sa umaga, ipambibili ng load kaysa ipambili ng pandesal. Para may ka-text na sila, may ka-talk talaga. That is only in the Philippines. And that's amazing truth and fact. And because of that, we can make an opportunity out of it. Now, when we talk about empowerment programs of V-Mobile, yung MyLX and MyTurf 2.0, I'd like to inform everyone that we have already paid 1 billion pesos since 2008 when we started. So, that's the reason why we have maraming millionaires. Some of them very young. Some of them mahihiya kayo kasi some of them 18 years old eh, and they're driving their own car. I don't want to sound very materialistic. I'm not. But let me just tell you that because of our platform, the empowerment platform that we have created, they were able to change their lives. And that's a fact that we have to accept. Because sila gumawa ng sarili ng success. And for them to say or flaunt or show to you their cars, their checks, Although, sometimes I don't agree 100% in showing all text. Sinasabi ko sa kanila, it's a great job. And I'm really happy na binago nila yung buhay nila. For a 17-year-old, for an 18-year-old, for a 21-year-old to be driving his own car, buying his condo, that's an achievement. Kakagraduate pa lang nun, o hindi pa gumagraduate sa college. Kung matuturuan natin ang Pinoy na maging entrepreneur, mas maganda. At ang pagiging negosyante, hindi ho laging gumagawa ng isang bagay at siya lang ang gumagawa. It's all about leveraging. So, those things help us to re-examine. Kasi na-realize mo namin, nung una kami nagsimula sa V-Mobile, ang push namin sa produkto, bilhin nyo to, you will be able to sell different prepaid products. Tinuruan namin mag-retail ang tao. True enough, na-achieve naman namin yun. In fact, sa sobrang galing, bumilis yung paglaki nyo, nahirapan kami. Now, sabi namin, ang daming retailers. Kaya pala ang daming umaangal sa atin na mabagal. Minsan yung loading, yung reload, masakit sa ulo. Because maraming retailers. So yung ginawa namin platform, sabi namin, let's review this. Ginawa natin itong platform para mag-retail ng tao. Pero look at this, what if we will use MyTurf, emphasize on consumption rather than retail? The same number of transactions per month, the same utilization of the platform, pero mas marami mayaman. Bakit? Kasi tinuruan namin kumita ang tao hindi sa pagbibenta ng load, kundi sa pag-establish ng network of consumer under them, such that everyone buying their own need, yung tinatawag nilang self-loading, yun ang magbibigay sa inyo ng success. And so, ladies and gentlemen, that's the guiding principle behind all the things that we're doing now. It's an updated philosophy. Kasi noon, doon kami nagsimula. Sinasabi lang namin kung sa inyo ngayon, no, we're thinking differently. What we're thinking is that the system is there for you to build your own triangle. So, that philosophy is we now call incentivized consumerism. It's a word that you cannot easily find somewhere. It's a combination of words that I really coined. I researched this, no? There's really a word incentivized. If you Google it, incentivized is there. And consumerism is really good because it fuels the economy. It helps you find opportunity. Now, if we can incentivize the way we consume products, use the services, regardless of the brand, then V-Mobile is no longer a hardcore multi-level network marketing opportunity. It's not. Then we are actually leading a new direction. It's a new ballgame. Incentivized consumerism is a tweaked principle of network marketing. In network marketing, the focus and emphasis is on sales. Pag sumali ka sa programang yan, pag sumali ka sa kumpanyang yan, ito ibenta mo para mag-qualify ka sa komisyon. Pag hindi mo nakuha yung group sales na yan, o yung personal sales na yan, made-demote ka sa title mo, hindi mo makukuha komisyon. Maganda ang network marketing. Maraming napayaman ang network marketing. Pero kung ang network marketing mananatili sa you join the business, sell the product, I don't think yun ang tamang direksyon. I think being a consumer is a powerful concept. And if we use product, services, and we have our own systems to earn from it, consumerism is the future. And so, I'd like to tell you boldly, consumption of goods and services can empower us when there's a system for leveraging. And that is what V-Mobile is going to fully accomplish and deliver. For example, bigyan ko kayo ng mabilis lang na analysis ng lahat ng bagay. Sino ang gumagamit ng 300 pesos na load monthly, at least?